one boy one, yeah?
The USA, we have $70,000 a year from Felicia from the USA.
Yeah.
So count it as well too. Barge, I'll help him all that for you as well too. So just count it says 70,000.
That's what's up.
So this is Rob from the New York, and this is 280,000.
Okay.
You know, from Rob from New York. So you count it, says make sure it's 280. But you want to count and put in your hand, says easier.
Yes.
So all of your hand.
Then.
Shaja. Okay. Oh. So about it. Shaja. But I didn't have anything outside yesterday. I think I want foundation and that about, you know.
What make you think that me come for you? And them people have help.
Yeah, I think I want foundation.
I want house over there and it blow down flat.
The house over here, so live first.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me feel. Then me want hear me mother drink sorry.
Alright guys, so empty the shops. These are the stuff them for the West Melon. So waiting on the van to pull up. As you can see, we here, we loaded, we rack, we ready. You know, it's so ready. Then the empty, take out the bag as well to the one. Yeah. Oh, shit. Yeah. You can put out that too. Yeah. And wipes as well there as well. So guys, so now we're just waiting. So the team is here, out, you know, so you know we're ready for tomorrow. Barge there and worship there and everybody is here. You know. Right, so the van is here. Same one that we used the last time. You know, it's here. We gonna start loading and everything. Yeah? Yeah, we get put out. All the stuff them is here and we get put right out. So we have 30 grand here and the mission as usual. Can I go? Not bring that Jack, so that's the single one. Put the bag them first, the care packet them first. Well, blessed love, good morning, guys. Welcome to Akeynote Life in Jamaica. I hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are, guys. So, you know, it's that morning. We're going to head to Westmoreland, you know, so we're up and running, you know, everyone is out. Shira, the van, come. Carl. So everyone is up and running, so you know the thing goes, guys. So we're gonna head down to Westmoreland this morning. So you know the thing goes, nothing but love and love alone. You know, so the team is out, you know, mentality. The team is out and the boss is here and everyone is here, you know. Morning.
Good morning.
You stick it on.
Didn't?
A little bit.
Hi!
Esther! So we are prefect here in the morning. Up and running.
Don't know.
Mm-hmm.
Go back on the journey, you know, people.
Yes, I.
That
Yeah.
is it. Do the good work. You see?
Yeah.
But love and love only. Love conquer. Bless up.
Every
One
time.
love. Bless up. Have barge up on the
Now we have barge
Yeah,
as
man.
you see
Same way.
everything go.
On the journey again.
Mm-hmm.
Going down to do the right thing, you know. And try to comfort the soul with some of the pain them going through, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But there,
Definitely.
yeah, man.
Definitely.
Yeah.
I wouldn't shop. Whoa, how do? How we do? How we do with knife? I don't know, yeah, pepper up now.
Never say I get up early.
Alright, I'm glad that you go on. You see me?
You speak one time, you know, yes, you know.
Yes, make ways. We tell her to get up from early, You say, yeah man. But when the rum attack, Baja, that always a go on. See guys, worship meant to get up from so early. You know?
I tell them, man, you know.
I think we overdo it and oversleep. You know?
Do over.
Yeah.
All the chef in this morning over.
The Casanova. Is Casanova. Quick match subs, two egg and the franks. I gotta slice up the bread quick and fast. Breakfast with the roll. Prefect of his bowl.
Always.
You know?
Yes, sir. That journey.
Yeah, even got his balls. I think I got the feel for franks and sachets. Yeah, with frank and sachets, now the same thing. Dynamite.
Yeah, I'll let them post quick, you know, come back.
I have 30 grand.
Yes, I, my people, all of my extended family, all of the viewers, them, yeah, man. Out in the morning, I'm ready for go touch the road, so you know it, brothers, look out for everything. You see me, I say, yeah, man, I get a look up piece of that pippins and everything, man. So, all of the people, them, yeah, man, big up on yourself, man. You see me, I say, yeah, man, love, and love alone.
Yeah. You have Mother Teresa as well, too.
All I'm doing is the morning. God got protect you going and coming in. So just go and stay true.
Yeah. Alright then, so.
I'm turning this up now, boy. I'm turning egg them now. A spoon I use. Watch that. You know what that got? You know what that? Dial the bar. Yeah. Dial the bar.
Yes, sir. But that set me up. Don't set me up at all. Max, man general. Yeah. Come in ready for road. So I go on. Which one then you go? Which one? Oh, you got drive over this thing, so easy. Come in there. Alright then, Esther, see you later. Take care of Mama Junie. So mucho. I'm check out what go on here so.
Yeah man, outside hear that.
Yeah man, one team.
Yeah man, dream team man, yeah man. Love the vibe.
Got to make it work.
Yeah. We're coming. We love it. Should have a juice some more.
So driver, we good?
Yeah man, we're good.
We're good to go. So you know the crowd already, so blessed love. So catch us on the journey. So over here in my car we got the prefect, we got Shire badge and thing. Alright guys, as you can see, these are the reinforcement to help out with the light infrastructure here in Jamaica. These are the one them from overseas as well too. So these are the trucks them from overseas. Listen, that's how which country matter. Which country is coming from?
Huh?
Which country is coming from?
Brunswick, Canada.
Canada?
Yes.
Okay, all of them?
Yes.
Okay. You're from Canada?
Yeah, New Brunswick.
New Brunswick?
Yes.
Big up, man. I was just in Toronto the other day.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Nice
Big up.
place.
Thank you for the help, man.
Hey, no
Thank you so
problem,
much,
anytime.
man.
We're here to help.
Thank you so much, man. From Raja, from Canada. Yeah. Brunswick. From Brunswick, Canada. Yeah.
I would have said turn off.
Move on.
Well, they put them on them turn off.
No, like a car, the day for
So basically, guys, so these trucks, they're from Brunswick, Canada. You know, so all of these new light trucks that you see coming to Jamaica here, they're from Canada. It's all Canadian. You know, thank you so much. Big up Brunswick, Canada. You know, so them come guys and them really speed up the process, you know, of getting the lights them reinforced quick and fast because they put in some new light posts and running the wires them, as you can see, coming from Black River side. These are the light posts them, the new ones them. I see them high tension wire barge look different. Them have the thing over them, rubber.
Oh, you see that? You see when them put up?
Yeah.
That big push and them thing there.
Yeah, so you see these high tension wire. You can't even bridge these.
Yeah.
Listen, you can't bridge them one here.
Yeah.
These when they can't bridge it because them have rubber.
Them are not 110, you know. Them are high tension.
High tension there.
High tension.
So these are the new posts.
Break them down with a transformer.
Yeah.
Distribute it to them line. High tension.
So here's the new posts. But them and them are instead, yeah. So it's coming all the way from Black River, you know, and they reach a good distance already. Where?
Over by gas station.
Yeah, man. Go over gas station.
Get.
Sure.
Try and use them.
Oh.
Hey, fast. Go to the shower.
No, quick. So guys, as you can see, all the light work going that direction, you know, because it's coming from Black River side. So they start from that direction, going that way. You know, you can see all work in progress. So right now you can see going that way.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright guys, so we stop off. Guys, so we stop off to get some soup. Driver, you want soup? Some soup. How I go on? How I go on? Puma want to cry? Yeah, cry. Puma cry. Come in, cry, man. Let Puma cry. Hey, it's good. Make Puma cry, Sparks. How go on?
I tell you, man, you.
I tell me look at that and I say, oh, let me tell you something, no girl to you.
No girl.
When I hear tea, they're good to go.
Yeah.
To me grand.
Yeah.
The girl to you, get a conky. Conky. So I'm happy I work. When I score. Here we go.
Yeah.
See you play score.
Yeah. Don't talk.
Don't talk. And then the world we go.
Of course. Of course.
Oh, Paul.
Yeah.
For reach us so soon, gone from the hills, you know. The boss me say, when I lift up, he say, we are the snowman, we are the snowman, you have to come back to come out drums at Jamaica. I'm still not for it. Oh, God, man.
Outside the soup there?
That's side of the
Eh?
Yo.
Come. I should probably get this corn soup the last time. What kind of soup though? What kind of soup?
Fish tea and chicken food.
Oh, fish. Yeah, fish tea. Where's soup there?
No, no, so my one.
Basically, get up this morning before I went and take those pictures because I want some water. Nice. What's one
Fish tea? Yes. Oh, what going to do?
We are going. Long went man today.
What kind of soup you have?
Fish tea and chicken soup.
Jack, sir!
350
Jack, sir!
and 600.
Call him now. You want some soups?
Frenchman.
Which one you want?
Chicken food. Chicken with beer. Yeah, man. The girl in for drink Frenchman soup. The ladies in for drink it.
Right now, chicken food, then one.
Count the soup them as well too, yes, same time. Couple of them. I want fish as well.
Couple of ones there.
Yeah, man. I eat like 200 money.
One down, two to go. A fish tea.
Yes. Who be chicken food soup again?
Drive.
Just let me go first.
Can I soup you want? Can I soup? Chicken food. Can I soup you want, sir?
Next chicken food.
Yeah, chicken food right there. That's a good one.
Alright.
30 grand.
Come on outside here, baby.
You account, my general? You account?
No.
You not account?
Yeah, me account, man. 3 grand.
How can I soup you want?
That's what's up.
That's a chicken food. Okay. 30 grand there. What kind of soup you want? Fish and chicken food.
Chicken food.
Chicken food. Another chicken food.
Dumpling. Yeah, godfather.
Alright.
Big pot of chicken food. So everything got the fish man. So the soup spot right here. So when you come here, you find the soup man right here.
Yeah, give me a cup of that. Come on, some of that. Chicken food again.
Ask Walla. Liquor, what kind of soup you want? Chicken food? Chicken food. Chicken food. 30 grand. What kind of soup you want? Chicken or fish? Another food.
Baby, you want fish?
Sure. No, see at the fish time now. 30 grand, see soup there. What type of fish?
Wench, man. Squirrel.
Alright. Thank you. So thank you for my name. Alright.
Eh? Cook up right now. Now get this last idea. Who's the fish again, man?
One piece of warm bammy. I want the warm bammy.
Who's the warm bammy? Warm bammy then over there.
Warm one.
Warm bammy. Come in.
Warm, fry already. Eh? Perfect. Police, no one piece of bammy forgot with the soap. Me and that fish tea there. How about the pepper?
Yes.
Yeah, man, I mean, it's fixed now.
Alright, you want food in there?
Yeah.
Fish in there. Down there.
Alright, soup now. What you call that?
11 of them.
Alright.
African, Jamaica with the African, yeah. Yeah, man, remember when you come here?
As she said?
Yeah. Put up on the camera.
No, because the camera again because
Oh. At the bottom of that?
no, I'm not going to camera.
Yeah, she not go camera. She there on TikTok. It's a big fish and I'm just not the father. Why you put them there on it?
Keep them cool, then I can
You know what? You have to say I eat something else. Oh, you have to say I eat something else.
Come sit the rest.
Slice them, I'm going more, man. Yeah, I live now, you know. Yeah, like so, 3 different slice that.
Hey, my artist. No, artist. You want to be artist, but it's tough. Slicer. But you want to know. Your mama like me, you're rich. Start farm for you.
Yeah.
Weed out. Drive me. All sense. You know, dream team man them. I'll get peace man, please. Dream team man have some back walk. Build up the house for you.
Where's the one she get you, she rich?
Make she know how I go on here and slide.
30 grand.
Okay. Tell me come back. No, I'm going to come in nice. I'll get some fried fish. More you should have done. I don't see Alice. That's why all the meds, you know. You know, all the meds do it and then cast the Alice. You know, all the meds, man. All the fish that sell off with Alice, there's some Christians and man. And some bad man, you know, and Dennis Brown and Alice. Where is this man? You're not side here. You know what I'm saying? This is the drama of my country. This is the drama of my country. I'm not side here. You put news and I'm bad man.
Just say you're not about to marry that.
Yeah, but she bought a shop in there. You can't go from America, she bought a my house. Yeah, man. This is your silly Indiana plate. When we come in, we want to hug you.
Yeah.
She bought that. Talk about everything and cut. Talk about it and cut.
Just gotta keep the furniture then.
Yes, dear.
It is a silly Indian.
Oh, yes, dear. Yeah.
How much your fish? How much your fish?
I don't know where you want to
How much that side there?
4,000.
I'm going to tell you that different doors now going on.
Half your one.
No, I'm not fair. You know why
You know
why I'm in there though?
She have a man like this, rich.
Yeah. You want him in your house?
She not
answer, you know?
Yo, suit out already, everything done, move up.
Now left my work.
She not answer, you know, she that means that yes.
Yeah, man, yes.
Me now left my work.
No, we can still have your work still.
No, sir.
Yeah, that's my yard in our first.
When me do this, I'm alright.
Yeah, I mean, the movements of job people. Yeah, man. Alright guys, so we're gonna head out now. Head on to the journey. Eh? Oh, head on to the journey right now, so we're not far away. Oh, yeah. Robin's River name? Yeah. Oh. So guys, so this is Robin's River. At the start, I just open up everything, you know, cause I remember in the budget yesterday, you know.
Yeah.
It never so wide, you know.
The water eat the water, yeah.
And when the storm come down, wash away everything. Cause it only used to day, so one little small thing. And it wash out the whole of the side and leave pure stone.
Make it wider.
Yeah.
Leave a wider. Yeah, nice pool up there. Yeah, decibel factor, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice pool up there.
Oh. Right, that's one nice. But yes, I look deep, you know.
Yeah, that was it. Yeah.
In a sort of a ditch.
Deep, yeah.
Yeah, in a sort. Yeah, you can't even see the bottom. Yeah.
I like it, yeah, nice swim.
Yeah. Robin's River. Right, so this is what the storm creates, you know, because this was a little slim little river that's run down called Robin's River. But when the storm come with the heavy water and everything, it does wash away everything and open up all of this, you know, and create this, you know, create even this right here, you know, and create that. And put it like a pool here, so. Yeah. No, tomorrow.
Tomorrow morning.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh, bless you. Morning.
King bless.
Yeah, yeah. Ready one package? Yeah. Husband and wife? Oh, Illa. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Take out 2 of them.
See Patika, yeah man, Jim team. Bless love, yeah man.
Ah, them general. So how go eat back up here, sir? Listen.
Yeah man, I go through me, low pan gas one reach one. So I beg a good thing, you matter small, please.
Are we a bike?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright then.
Alright, this way reach, bro. Yeah?
Yeah man.
Yeah. God bless, yeah?
Alright, respect.
Alright, cool.
But we can take out the close them pan as well too.
We're going to chop all in them.
Yeah, chop all in that. I chop all in that, right? Need we're going to spread out one.
Yeah, I've done it,
yeah. We want to give them that thing at last. We're going to grow to them first. Yeah. And so we can know. I've got take out the, if I can find the clothes, the clothes.
Yeah, man.
One grave over there, so I'll put it on the grave. Liquor. Start.
The pampas.
And the pampas are white.
Yeah, that's good.
Over there, so we have to go put that. And make liquor and Shara go have to go start out the clothes then. Yeah? Because they're new. They're new as well too. Oh yeah, we have it all in there, yeah? We'll spread that chopper in there and help them with the clothes them over there, so. Alright, bring the clothes them over. You can spread it go up on that grave there. See that grave there? Spread it on that grave there. Eh?
You can't spread.
With the grave with the area.
Well, right here.
See if we can, yeah.
Which part? Drop it, drop it now. Oh, put it over there. Oh, spread there, so. Eh? Oh, what going Pee-wee? P-man? P-man?
Yeah, man.
P-man?
Yeah, what going?
There, man, everything up.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
man. Like, come on, to get this movie.
Yeah.
I think they live on $2 for me, said yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, man, because we have check fee and everything.
Yeah, man. We think about funeral, you know?
Yeah. So thing go do.
Yeah, man.
So, liquor. Them have kids as well too.
Yeah.
And the marrying of them, everything, kids underwear.
Why not? Can I get a kiss?
Hello, please. Do not take up anything. Wait.
What we're going to do, so the case them are not 9. So we just like us give them like couple out of them first. You see me? So we just take them out. I think we have to take out everything now. So we can have a station. What them come out?
Something dash me.
Dash here.
It's one more, yeah.
Oh, yes, bring this over. Yeah. Oh, yes, bring this over. Eh? No, them are the female them. Yeah. That's like me at the back. Them are for the ladies them. Yeah man, yeah.
They like them come.
No, I mean them stay there so.
No, it's bad.
See them bag here. We can hand them to the ladies then. As how them is because them are for the ladies them. Just the ladies them one there. Them are ladies. Yeah, the man want them belly as well too. Fuck. Turn the speaker that way there. Them are the man one them. Them rock there.
Okay. Them here.
Yeah, them are the man one them.
Okay. It's a compass.
Are the baby pampas start, right?
Yeah, really after.
And white.
Well, listen, on the door mix it. Them have for babies. Yeah, look, that's the man say, start them out, put the baby in one. Yeah, you start them out. So it's easier. So the one them there, so the baby one, them and you have to marry them as well too.
You have youth and can't get nothing.
Oh, in the night car? I take it out, Pacha.
Hello, wait, please. Wait now. Let me just start out the kids something them and then we can take out.
Raga. Because them are going to mix up.
How we don't want them mix up?
God save this. Hey. What's that? Them more picket. Put on my shoes. No, pass my shoes down.
That can't fit you?
Yeah. Try.
What size are you? You tried? What size are you? Try it first.
I try already.
Let me see. Let me see you try it. Nah, go down. Your size, Alright guys, so basically yes, well. So we're here now, starting to giving out this, organize the stuff them. First, we have to close them, we have mother things here. And start them out so them can get the clothes them. Also, close now. That one have to brown? Pass a white, next white t-shirt there, so I'm supposed to do two of them.
You want pampers? Yeah, these pampers.
And you have the wipes as well too.
See, Barry.
This one, look at this.
Yeah. Boom. The man shot them done? The man shot them finished? This is how I need food. Pull it out now? Yeah. Pull it out and you see it. You go see the size. Yeah? Your size that?
Big my size.
Big guy, your size that?
Yeah.
Big guy.
Your size that? I don't want like close them come out and boom. Let me go check. Get it the baby mother the wipes them, yeah? What? What size she is? A boy. So we never talk. Give me the way the boy underpants them. So the boy underpants them here?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, boy too. Liquor, the boy underpants them finish?
Yeah, them. Hey, look boy.
Are you happy though? Eh?
Enough for me. Yeah.
When it happy though?
Yeah, man.
A 3 cents. A 3 cents that one day. Pampers, look at the girl in. The baby pampers.
Hey man.
See you get it. A rags and stuff in there.
Oh, the boss of my legacy already.
Friend, the dog got me my the care package them, yeah?
My legacy already.
Boom, give them to the ladies them. That one, that one in the right hand, them have for the ladies them.
Hello.
Yeah.
You have an extra daddy?
Keep past that. You get one of these already?
No, but yeah, we get one.
Let me check and see. So I'm back here, sir. See him here. Whoa. So I'm back over there, so they see me. Woman clothes back there.
Where?
See there over there, sir.
Right there.
That? This? Yeah.
I've never seen this one. Never see this one. Big Bob the ID.
Over there, so is okay.
I think you want enough, you know.
So
my time I stay fluid, you know. Alright, man package.
Yeah. It's a man package.
Where's up more time, man package? See your man then
Let me see if I'm man. Hold on. Hold on, let me see. No, children. Children. Bring them over there. Oh, children. When go Chaya, some more children. Children. Just steer the bag. Just steer the bag.
No, sir.
Just steer the bag. No, sir. Bring it on this. Bring it on this.
Don't say that. I want quiet you wait on me, grab it. So don't say that. I better you say I hear one and you will get it.
One name from the big thing. No, give me sister. One, please.
Some more children stuff.
All right. What more they come?
Are children alone? How many people
Let me get some.
Hello. You can hello. This? We get one.
Take some guy. I don't.
From where one, yeah?
The blue one.
I'm telling him to walk from down here. Shirt on mine, if you any come
Every time that we have to town do, we always have to town. Yeah, man. My papa will come to town. Yeah, alright. So,
yeah, come in.
What happened?
Yeah, bring them closer.
Big guy though.
London commercial.
You light. No man, you get your light, man. You get your light, man. Cause you, them light, you know, like solar flashlight. Take it out and see it. Yeah. Hold on, pan that one. The black one, them? Oh no, that's some smaller one I have now. Yeah.
Alright, me try to show
you have a tool?
Water.
Hold on. Let's pull them out first. I'll give them 2 water. You make one line, so we don't have to do it. Easier. Make one line, so it's more easier. Water line. No, last time remember so we don't live so up here now. We don't live so up here.
Come start, make him carry the good. Come so. Sorry, I'm sure.
Share the Grove known for unity, you know? Share the Grove known for unity. So guys, right after it?
Yeah, man.
Share the Grove appear family out there.
Give me a catch of let them pass my stuff.
Watch your back. Put them in their bag.
No man, you do what you do. No man, you do what you do.
So what we need of light?
Last time I left, I saw me not get none.
Yeah, man, we just the junior. Don't if you get it, man. How can I work here, though? How can I work here?
I want your post and repeat it, you know.
Well, let me give you one. I work carpenter. Yeah, carpenter too? Our family is chicken this. Oh, chicken. Come on, sorry. Chicken.
Oh, chicken.
Chicken.
Oh, again.
Chicken.
Yeah, see that chicken.
Oh, again.
Chicken.
Rafi, can you the rope?
Yeah, man. So, one thing like, let me go.
I them one police. Yo, the carpenter them. What the carpenter them?
Yes.
Oh, a carpenter out there. Oh.
Come, your mother.
Yeah, one little man where like him get strokes, more light.
I want carpenter. Yeah, right. Yeah, carpenter.
Yo, give me a light. Yeah, Mosa, give me a light.
Oh, in the actual line.
Light.
Come on.
What I like the man. Give me the man. What I like the man. Give me the man. Give me light. Give me one.
Hold on. Remember say. See me, bro.
Hold on, Steer this around the south. Steer this around the
south. Don't pull the back.
Get light already.
Yo, time man, ease off the man. Please. Don't like them, please.
Oh, you know, get
please. Hold on, take a time one first, please. Take the water. Hold on, look at these. We shall look out for light,
My bag of head on this.
Yes, well. Pour water, bag.
You see my bag right there, so?
We'll charge up the light. She get it. So the light them shell out. Alright. Yeah, worker?
Say light them shell out.
Yeah, light them.
Maybe one of them plug on there.
Yeah, I'm Mason just a check it out.
Yeah, Mason. What a Mason. Yeah, Mason man. See me here. Akeynote this, you know.
Akeynote this now.
Oh, Akeynote, cool, huh?
Yeah,
the saw is. No, the saw them done. Your father, my builder?
Yeah, my carpenter.
My carpenter? Give me a hammer.
I'm beg you one eye, sir.
No, the saw them finish.
This give me one eye.
See a hammer. No, let them finish now.
You want a light? No, I'm a hammer. Beg you.
We need the rope? Who need
Put up line.
Who need the rope?
Give me a
rope.
You want rope? Who need the rope?
Me ask for your rope.
You.
Back around.
Yeah, make the light. What am I doing?
Me don't care about that. Me not blind enough. Me care about respect no man. Me not like. But I can't go.
Randy.
As you are. Happy about it.
Make one of that. But we don't get no knife. Make one of that. You know, me can't get one of that.
Yeah, man, I can't black man.
Big on that. Big on that.
The rope them finish. Rope finish.
Yeah, I'll some look for flashlight.
Yeah, the rope them finish. Hammer?
Tina, I'll play this. She can't get another flashlight. Show her my light. She said she not.
Oh, hold on, mama. Eh?
Yeah, I'm a plug board.
No, sir, me not get nothing. When I plug body to know like.
Yo, that'll put killer, yes?
Yeah.
You want to like no?
Yo, give me plug board.
Plug board.
When I like me, I'm
Sit down for you with that.
Plug board them finish now. Plug board them finish. See metal side. Oh, now when the car work? Plug more than finish. Aros, Aksa. See Aksa, eh? Yeah. Eh?
No, I do everything, you know.
Kid, he's a little bit please.
Eh?
A pot son that.
Kid, just ease a little bit.
The bag shell down. They like them finish so. Yeah.
This I feel.
I didn't nail them, The arm of them finish. Yeah. Tarpaulin. Yeah, tarpaulin.
Look here, make you one.
Don't get no light on them. Hold on. She shouldn't get anything, but we'll just get her. Alright, give she that one. Amen.
One canvas, please.
Amen. I want left now. Oh yeah, she forget it. No, listen, she forget it. She forget it.
Give it now.
Yeah, the road don't finish. Wrap it. Wrap it. All of them.
Kino.
Yeah. Yeah, then the shell. Rope them finish. Rope them finish. You have grocery there? You get grocery?
Yeah, man. Everybody's supposed to get. Everybody's supposed to get. I want hammer me down.
The hammer them shell down. The plug board them gone.
Everything.
Plug board them finish as well.
Plug board finish?
Yeah.
No, I can't get.
Half case of the water. Why is your bunny chair? Look at this one. What else there? Okay. What am I bunny seeing?
Let me have the rice then.
Yes, I put on 2 cases of carrot.
Grocery? Yo, grocery, take a grocery now.
Them children can lock off on the back of everybody again.
No man, it's better stay right there, man, because other people are come down after the
Okay.
She get back already?
No.
Give her a bag. Thanks. You close them shell out. Baja, where they say I'm not doing this?
The last bird, them say I want 3 hours.
See me, give him the bag.
You give it already?
Yeah.
Okay.
What you say give me already? The bag where you say 3 hours. Oh yeah, me give 3 hours back. Sit over there. Me have to do that. I be granted that. They never give me.
Thanks. You know, get the camper. We did a big lady long time, so I want to put up on the and me go to know we are leave.
Get something else.
Yeah, me have one part we are leave. So we did a big lady, but in this say you never retreat. We 50 people in
Which part you live?
right now I bottom on so.
Oh, wait, you say a leak where you want the chopper lid?
Yeah, you put pan me have the zinc.
Oh, you have the zinc head?
Yeah.
So, one I'm up.
How far you live down?
Just a corner.
Oh, you walk down the road?
Yeah.
Oh, so I'm to the house. Where's it happen?
He did come out, but he want one chop and pan it top. So me
So where they pan it? Zinc?
you see the chop in the pan, but he kind of boil.
Oh, so where that before zinc?
Yeah, but he boil gone.
How much zinc you want?
3 sheets.
There's 3? Prefect,
Prefect, you know.
Eh?
I don't cheaters in should have. I can't step
May I make you show me? Yeah.
She mama out there so for tweets and no.
Yeah.
No, that should say, we are family, I think this and this thing. Yeah. Bless up. Tell him, we never really know our tweets on.
Yeah,
man. Yeah.
I show my girl, right?
Okay. Yeah, man.
She mama over there so in a red hat make tweets here.
Oh, she?
Over there so in a red hat. Red and black.
Oh, over there, sir. Yeah, but I walk with that lady, yeah. You know,
She are here for tweet no and she can't check her other day.
Yeah?
Yeah, she where she did live up there.
Which one?
You know Irie? Irie mother.
Irie.
Mike.
Oh, Mike.
Yeah.
Oh, my mother.
Miss Blanche call her and tell her, you know, say,
Yeah.
come. She now come, but you now come.
You get grocery already?
So she gets grocery.
Okay, grocery already.
But me,
How far you live?
Me?
No.
See her house up there, so we pop down up there, so up there she did live.
Oh, that one never popped down right at the edge, so. Oh. Oh, so you lose everything.
Everything.
So which part you stay, you know? Oh.
I'm my mother.
Hey,
So Twitter, right?
Yeah, because she did here.
Then she share.
It is here, right?
Give her one finger.
Yeah,
man. You say hello to her when
well, she watch one video this evening, so she'll see. You can say hello to
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi, Trey. This is Gritty.
Lovely Gritty. Wow. So you did get damaged by it as well too?
Me, yes. The house. Me lose 2 part, but me did a one concrete room, but the roof gone.
Oh, the roof gone?
Yeah.
Wow. Because so much people lose so much things right now.
Actually, everybody.
Everybody, yeah.
Everybody. I look up there. So we have to give God thanks, you know, for everything where everybody do.
Yeah.
Yes. I hope and pray that if it happen, God help me that I can give back a support.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you put on back zinc on it?
No.
Oh, yeah,
I never zinc a roof.
Oh, roof, so you did, yeah.
So a lot leave, but the something them blow off.
Okay. Well, at least.
But me have 2 zinc room that gone all together.
Gone.
Every furniture, me lose every furniture, everything. Yeah, man.
Wow. Why not tell us when I look around, I don't know where to start. To be honest.
I don't get back nothing more than the clothes there.
Yeah. I don't know. Well, guys, I'm not lie. When I look around and the need, I don't know where to start. You know, because there's so much to need here, you know. Yeah. Yeah, alright. Nice meeting you, yeah?
Yes, alright.
Nice meeting you. So, yeah, I already have to see your daughter, right?
Yes.
And your husband, she's good, right?
Yes, please.
Let me hear something, yeah? Yes, so I'm going to say. Yeah?
Thank you very much.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Alright, then take care, yeah?
Alright. You too. Yes, man.
Yeah?
Yes. Good luck.
I can go in on the pan, man. The seat for me, the student pan when you give me the bag.
I appreciate it.
Yeah?
And we're grateful.
Yeah.
So much we need a lot of more help, but you know,
Yeah.
my 2 horse gone completely. Nowhere right now, I don't know what it's about. But me get some zinc or something can start back something. I'm grateful. Grateful.
Yeah. Well, you're gone completely, so that means
flat, all
you have to start from the ground, come up, and you don't start anything yet.
Everything. Give thanks for everything. And
Yeah.
appreciate
God
it.
bless you guys.
And God bless you
for doing
Yeah.
this.
for doing this.
Yeah, man. We're here to serve each other, you know, because we have to look out for each other.
We get knocked down and so we thank you for your assistance.
Yeah.
Thank you for your assistance.
Man, I'm going to try and see how we can assist as much anyway, but we can't do everybody one time. You see me, I have to just like work about somebody. Sparks! Hold on. Yeah, may I come, Rafi? Yeah, because I'm say it's really hard for me try to just do everything one time. I be try to give somebody peace. You see me? If you have something we start already, we can try if you add to it, it's good. You see me? Or if you have something we just want to look at, yeah. But if If we try to give one,
get
let's say
couple
one.
sheet of zinc, but I'm grateful and Evo and 4 sheet apply.
Well, you need to start from foundation
Yeah,
first.
no man.
Because you know what I got the zinc put on.
I don't have it put on, you know.
I know where it
I
is.
tell you what I'm going to do. I use the zinc and make a shop and turn over my money and build up something. I be honest, I not go play. I have 1 sheet apply already and I have 3 sheet of zinc. I have vinyl already, just look more zinc I want.
Oh, but you don't know how much zinc you want.
I have 3 sheet already, but I want about 6 more sheet.
Oh, 6 more sheet.
And about 6 sheet apply. That would push me turn over that and start something for myself.
How much zinc you say you don't need?
About 8.
8. How much I'm selling a sheet of zinc for down here?
No, they apply me one the crew, do one the crew.
About 3 something. About 3 something. 3 something.
Oh, 3,000 something. How much for the hardware them down here?
White.
Oh, White House. White House, you don't forget them.
Me don't want me get some apply too. Me a zinc.
No, start something I help this up.
Me don't want like one little shop, you know.
Yeah.
Give me shop plan. Give me shop plan.
Ross, I heard you're busy.
Yeah,
Wifey, manners. Wifey capture you, I couldn't even see you. A family here, wife?
Oh, man.
Yeah.
I have vinyl and 3 sheet of
Baja. So you are the one look on yeah. For sure. Back on the car.
When me turn it, me gonna make you see, make a video, you can come video and see.
I think theory. So the name I seen HY.
Give her your number. I see.
If you no pick up here, you know.
Okay, you have to pick up.
You know, pick up here, so we have to come way up here.
Yeah, because if I make me either a White House, because White House, right?
Yeah.
So if I make me meet in a White House, then in the morning.
Yeah. Much
Much is 8 she doesn't. She said 8.
Oh, Mr. Like, you may know, but in down the sun, pick up the one where you live.
And she 6 sheet. No, them will get them to stuff. So, catch your mama phone, should have to start from scratch.
Mama, no, she gets some look something this morning. She gets
6 sheet.
well 5 sheet.
No, that's a zinc, right?
She gets some zinc, but we don't want some with the right finish up.
Much more.
We want about 5 or 6 more.
5 or 6 more. Alright, then we can put in. So you could have
B.
What that?
BUL.
I don't right, mama.
Miss Aggie.
Miss Aggie. Yeah.
We get to go something down and put more.
You know,
That's a
me
5.
stop you know me I beg you do Randall. If you could have reach around, let me go show you the canvas when you under. Everybody in a house and him no in a come me go you want me go show you?
I see him with me in bottom. I see him bottom.
Randall.
I'm seeing him bottom, right?
Randall. Him no in a no house. I want canvas in and all the rain here you see a fall. No house in
Yeah.
If you put this right at the behind the house, then we would have make you go video it.
Alright, may I come? Then. So, alright guys, so yeah, we're gonna check out where this gentleman he literally lose everything. You know, he's not staying nowhere at the minute. So we have a family of mine, you know, kind of make him a stay at the house back. You know, so we're gonna show you where he's staying at the minute. How part of me that live before, Wendy?
Over there, so but the whole struck down completely.
All house they did over there. You cousin used to live in it.
Mine drop Wendy.
How long do you manage this road, man?
Yeah, pull on the night.
Yeah.
guys. So basically, he's literally staying around here. He not really have nowhere to live because he lose everything. So we're gonna show you literally where he's living now, and he might do some help. So okay. Jaja. Okay. Oh. It's about it. Jaja. But I didn't have anything outside yesterday. I think I want foundation and not about, you know.
What make you think me come for you? And them people have help.
Yeah, I think I found it. I think I want foundation.
I want house over there and it blow down flat.
The house over here, send the live first. Okay. Yeah, we see it. Oh, so guys, so this is where he was living before. Oh my goodness. Wow. So this is where he was living before. Oh my days. So this is where he was living before. So this is where I lived before in a prefect. You know?
Why is it cause problem? The man can live in 55 years and it cause problem. The man entitled to live there.
Kiraman. So what's the procedure then with him then, like how this happened?
Why wicked for the regime, I tell you say wicked father.
I don't get no help as
no help. I just me decide say I contribute something and the dog a start and anybody can pull through and it's a blessing. Wicked car can't say a zero. Even not even a foundation.
I live in it and another you build up that.
Oh, so another you build up that little small one there.
In a time like this, everybody are seek for themselves. You know, you have to understand. Say, you see, when you see somebody can take up responsibility for assist somebody else. Yeah, cause wicked around there, man, wicked. So anything is a help for you, cause you can see for yourself.
Yeah.
It's a top dog if you're gonna hold it off and say, it's rough, man.
So basically, so you say they're gonna give him some ply?
Give him 10 ply and and maybe some 2B6. So like zinc and lat and 2B4.
So our size structure that you must say I give him 10 ply. Our size structure that you may talk about
10 by 10 place for that place for the time being.
10 by 10. 10 by 10.
Yeah, for the time being.
Once you can hold it in there.
If nobody can assist no more, I'm okay to 14 ply, 14 by 14 good.
So
you see me, so.
So that's
12 by 12, 3
12.
ply across.
So how much zinc that it have value?
Same, 12. About 12 by 12,
Yeah.
12 zinc.
12 zinc.
Yeah.
Zinc about 3 feet. Wide.
Okay. So we'll have to get him 12 zinc then.
We can't sudden. The zinc can't sudden. Exactly. So it's like 16. Because if a 12, because you have to have a hangover.
Yeah.
And then you get 2 8-foot. 2 8-foot. And when I'm there, so for 10 sheets and 20, 8-foot sheet covered. That's you get a hangover.
So that's how much? At how much zinc?
Yeah, because watch it. If I make it 12, you have to have at least 2 foot hangover. Yeah, on both sides. Yeah, you understand? So 12 and 4 are 16. So 8, you have to buy 8 sheet. I mean, them coming at 8 or 7.
8.
8
and 10.
And 10.
Okay.
And 12.
So they buy how much of that then?
Right. 26. Tell you how much that. Two of them are 6. Alright. Them coming out. You think them are the width or
8 and 10.
No man,
Oh,
the width.
across.
I believe a 3. 3 feet. Yeah, alright. So 2 and 6. So 4 would have been 12.
Alright, it's good. We have a carpenter bridge, you know.
Yeah, 4 of them be 12 to go across. You understand? Because a 12 by 12 you have building.
Alright, what is that? We have a builder out there, so you build that with
A builder this to you.
Yeah man, you understand?
A builder this to you.
So the way name there, so the way name there 12. Alright, if you count it that because every giant of the way name there you have a place where the plier go. You have to join it. So if you have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4, 8. So 4 and 3 in between there, so 11 and 3 on the other side, and then the top. So
lot easy.
No, you have to weigh him there. Run the top on the base. So all right, let me see. 3, 4, 8, 22, 10, and 2. 14 and on the top now we don't use 12 to go up on the top because at 12 we are built.
12, yeah.
Alright, so 12 and 4, 16 and 4.
20.
Yeah, and you're going to want some splice in between where the ply them go join because you have to divide the 8 by 4. You understand? So how much you get a while ago? 20 and 1, 2, 3, 4 more.
Yeah.
How much window you put on it?
Maybe 2 windows. It's 2. Maybe 2 windows.
What you get? 24?
24.
24, hold on now. Alright, with that 24 you want the door jam.
Me have door jam, I go give him. I have 2B6.
Alright, we look at
2B6.
Alright, with that now you need 24 2x4. 2x4 by you now go higher on 10. 10. You understand?
Yeah.
But the thing is, you have to go splice away, so it's best you buy 12. 2x4 by 12. Because you don't want to splice anything.
Yeah.
You want to 12 by 12.
Comfort everything.
Yeah.
Even though anything better.
Yeah, but
we
the
still
12, but if them now have the 12 then you know say.
You have to make something work.
Yeah, work something work. So 24 of that. Alright, a lot now. You need 12, you need what?
6, yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4,
8.
Yeah, you can work.
Can we build a 14? We build a 14 by 14 place. Yeah, lady.
Because normally that now, away name there you go do that. I just put down the zinc.
So
alright, hold on. With all of that, let me say, anything here we have built still, you know. Not just a lot come across, you know, but we have to run a rafter in the middle.
Yeah.
So you have to put on piece more. You have to put on piece more 2 before for running in the middle. So what? 24 you have a 25.
Yeah.
So 25. 25 piece of 2x4 by 12. 8 piece of 1x3 by 12.
Alright, so you look at it. So we're going to deal with our have then. So basically, we could get in the zinc, right?
Yeah.
Because the zinc and you have the plier with the ability to essential first thing.
Yeah.
You know.
So but watch it. The essential thing is 2x4.
2x4 them, right?
That of a frame. We don't. That nothing can hold up.
Can't start.
Yeah.
So it's best you get the 2 before.
First.
You understand?
First.
Yeah.
Okay.
You understand? So if that at least you can start frame up.
Yeah.
And it can ply.
Yeah.
You understand?
And the 2 before.
Or watch where I miss something again. I don't know where am I going to use the flooring.
Kind of flooring.
Maybe you can get it pull up and, you know.
We can
contribute.
Yeah,
contribute. Yeah, and them things. Forget some rock and dump it up. Line off the back.
Yeah, and pave
somewhere and pave it off on them.
Yeah, I know that talk about 5 bags of cement.
Yeah.
So
what you don't do, you don't come up with block.
Yeah.
And then you don't come up with some steel that you can put over. the board for all the 2x4.
That's the key thing I'm covering right now.
Yeah. All right.
Because I outside in there.
Yeah.
So how much 2x4 would I need?
How much? 25.
25?
Yeah, 2x4 by 12.
Okay. How much you said one for?
It depends, you go by the size, around what?
12, 14 and 16.
Yeah. But say the 10 dira?
Yeah. I mean, always say long guys.
Yeah. The 10 dira.
The 12 cheaper.
The 12 cheaper and the 16 cheaper. And then you have to make sure say them straight. Yeah. So 12, I believe around what? I know in a town around what? And if what? 1,000 or 15. 1,000 a had. You know? You may get for the 12.
For 12?
Yeah.
Oh, for one?
Yeah, man. Yeah, for one of them, man.
And the money you have 12?
Yeah.
24 piece?
No, 25.
25
because
piece.
You want a piece away in him then in the middle. You don't want this white spanner in half and runner in the middle.
Yeah.
You understand? Divide the span, that's the type. So
anything is a blessing, you know.
Yeah, it can make up. Yeah.
This thing of a start.
Yeah, you need a start. Once you start, then you must
wicked man, you see it face.
Yeah, me see it.
The first night all the rain fall, I have to tell him and say, yo, watch out.
Yeah.
Go run it off up my head, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, so it made stay with you before?
Yeah. Wicked out here, father, man. I just see some people probably just see a place all get green up.
Yeah, green up and feel like.
And nature take it course.
Yeah. You know? The first thing that will take it course.
Yeah, nature, nothing can beat nature, you know.
So what the I name?
Randall, man.
Randall.
Batam when you used to come out town.
Them call it Batam when you used to come out town. Batam. And this are the outside where they know. So you get one of the lights them, right?
Yeah, me one of the lights.
Yeah.
Give me one.
Yeah. Jaja.
3 more out there,
I really used to
3 more I like me this scene and bag.
We used to.
Alright, what's wallet? Yeah.
And that man used to chim when we come out town now.
Yeah, man.
He used to chim when he come out town?
Come out town, man. P-man them, man.
The man P-man.
Yeah.
Jaja. Your situation tough. You know? So you more like urgent.
Emergency.
You know? Yeah. And anything else right now. You see me? Guys told me see it, you know, this more urgent than the lady who want 5 sheets of zinc and want to say she want 8 and then we could think there. You see me?
At least them live somewhere.
Yeah. So they live in somewhere, so more, you know, they understand where I'm coming from because what I have to do, I have to go put them back, you know, for the next trip. So I could get them and see if I could get him now.
Yeah, this emergency.
Yeah, get in the 2 before now where we can get in the start frame.
Start frame up as you can reach.
You know, because this is more essential as I can see with the man there. You know, this is outside.
Yeah.
And you know, we don't wish this pan our worst enemy at all. Yeah, it's no door, it's nothing at all, it's just under a top. You know, nothing at all. So just imagine what will be going through your mind when you lose everything and know this is where you have to literally reside at this minute. You know, it's very stressful, you know. It's very painful. You don't even have a toilet, nowhere to shower, nowhere to eat, you know. It's just a situation how it is right now where words can't be explained when you see someone else that got through this, you know. So Randall.
Yeah.
So I just said the best thing was just get him the thing then.
That's you can start up with something.
Because we have a budget, you know, we get from the overcomers, you know, we can try to just help somebody, you know, that was the plan. You know, so we decided that we're going to get this man some material, we can start his foundation. You know, the ladies in that we talked before, we have to just literally just do it on the next trip for them to get them them zincs. You know, because he's more essential right now.
Which you will understand.
Yeah.
You know?
So which is they will understand. So I will speak to them, you know, and let them know. You know, we definitely have to do that. Because trust me, I would have wished this by my worst enemy right now. Because me sit down right there, so yeah. I mean I'm not at all, just imagine what would be going through my mind. You know? As a man. Because you know a man think already. You see me? We don't want things if we go do the wrong thing. Because that's the only thing that goes through you to do. Because you have nothing else to look forward for. as an outsider there.
Yeah, and if the help now come,
And
then it's more stressful.
Yeah, and if the help now come.
Sign of hope, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And right now, based on the situation, him slope away.
Mm-hmm.
You know, physically, him slope away where him can't able to go out and to help himself even gather some of the things that we may need to make it possible that him can't go back on a shelter.
Yeah.
You understand? So we all are axe. We all are axe.
We don't fit life out.
Yeah.
You don't fit?
Life first.
Life first.
Yeah, man. I see it fire up, man.
Yeah, what am I telling you now?
You know?
A nerve problem.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you have nerve problem?
Yeah.
Mm.
You know?
From when that started happening to you?
About 6 years now.
6 years now?
When I was on, you know, I come on.
Are you the worst than this?
Yeah.
You just getting better now?
You know, too bad like first, you know.
Like the first time.
And then this go happen.
And then this now you feels right. More.
At the end of the day, we don't really plan for things like this. It's nature itself.
Mm-hmm.
But, you know, he's willing to help himself, but physically he can't do it right now because he's not 100% fit because he have a nerves problem.
Yeah.
The community itself and everybody in the surrounding willing to offer themselves whatsoever they can give, labor, material and whatsoever them willing to come in.
Yeah.
So right now, as we say, the ladies them up at the top, we may put them back a little because this is an emergency case. So we appeal for anybody out there and see the condition, which it's bad. Knowing that rain and everything, if it rains, the water run down and it come right on the mattress.
Yeah.
This is not good. You understand? We don't call this on ourselves, but we are beg for whatever little assistance we can get in order to make this work.
Yeah.
You know, so we just ask you out there for us reach out. The good thing about it is that we have life.
Yes.
That's we able for recover and bounce back. That is the greatest. Without that, then we will not be here talking now. Father God bless us that we have life and can able to look back and say thank you, Jesus.
Yes.
You know, we is amongst the living. All is well. You know, but so we are beg you. Dream team is here. And everything. You know, we all play our part and make the start, you know.
Yeah, so what we're gonna do then, guys, so basically the overcovers give us a budget where we can try to help somebody with it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I remember before we did feature Rafi, which is my family, you know, so they get some support now to help him as well too. So after we're gonna get him some materials also. So we get him this material, he will be off on his foot now to deal with himself after we get this material, because we make him do a rough invoice of all the stuff that he's gonna need, and we get an estimate. You know, so with that now, what we get now, we can cover that, because what I got is gonna cover that. So all he's gonna do now is bill, and from there he will carry on. So he got his start. So he's out the way now, because when we go up there and then give him the donation and everything. So and then now we're gonna give him a start now. And stone kill two birds. You know, so that's what we're gonna do right now. So
all of this happen with your blessings,
you know. Yeah, so we're gonna head to Rafi now and give Rafi this donation, and we're gonna take him also to get the materials then in the morning, you know. So at the same time, when I get the materials for Rafi now, we're gonna get him the two before them and the thing that he need. So you remember the measurement them?
Yeah, man, 25 2x4 by 8, 1 by 3 by 12. 1 by 3, right. And then we're gonna need some nails
and nails and thing. Alright then, so Randall, can you come back out there?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Alright, come in back. So guys, so here we are. So that's the plan, you know. So there's so many here who need the help, and there's so much we can do at a time. So this man is literally living outside, as you can see. This is where he's living, underneath the tarp. You know, he's literally living underneath the tarp. So you tell me what you think about this. You know. So I'm gonna say we're gonna buy the materials them for him. You know, from what we get from the overcomers, you know, so that's what we're gonna do. I want to thank you guys so much for the love and support. I'm gonna say anything at all they can give, we appreciate it. So we can do it one house at a time, you know. So anything we can give, you know, we can make the effort and come down. I will make use of the time and try to help out each other. So Rafi is gonna be out the way now after I get him this material tomorrow. that's him off and running, you know. He's not going to need any more support from what we're going to give today. And then now we can give this gentleman the support that he's going to get a start from, you know, so we can come and see if we can get him finished off. You know, and we are begging to please, guys, you know, anything you can give, we appreciate it. Please, anything at all. Anything. Yeah. So this is the pliers there. Baja! So guys, so this is my cousin as well, you know. You see me, he's doing great things. So you see the family blood have good thing in them heart, you see me? This is the same family here, you know. And he's definitely got that compassion of giving, you know. So Baja, see some pliers there.
Yeah, you know, these are the things we need in the community. People can do here to assist when one is in need. I'm grateful for that. At least somebody looking in the right direction. You understand, can see the plight of each other and then assist.
Yeah.
I'm glad for that. That's a big start.
Yes.
Yeah, man, we appreciate that.
So we're going to explain to these ladies and make them know why. We have to push them back, Baja.
Yeah.
At least.
Yeah, you don't know me.
You don't know me.
I'm coming yard with you. I'm a careful something.
I'm coming for rough yard. Okay. And these are the 2v6 them right there. Georgia man. Yeah. They see the Samaritan running at the family.
Yeah.
The Samaritan running right, Randy?
It's not a backup thing.
No.
It's something in a generation.
Yeah, it's in a generation. It's in the generation. Oh.
Yeah. It's in there.
Akeynote.
Okay.
Yeah, hello.
One more family.
Remember that face, yeah? Shireen. Where that name again? Angel. Where she there over so though?
No, she there.
So.
And the plan of you. And the Rochelle matter.
Rochelle matter. Rochelle.
I'm a sister.
Yes, your sister.
She there. Brad.
Yeah. Remember Rochelle.
Remember Jennifer Ida, a big fat brown one.
Remember Rochelle still, because she Rochelle flavor. Yes. And you can give them for them to get.
I would have been sister. No man. And Twitter douche sister.
Oh, what do you want me to name?
Eh? Yeah, give them two. If we give them two of them, one and done.
What about good man?
No, let's start them the finish. Thanks. Let's start them the finish.
Mama, water.
Mama, don't be away.
You're clear.
Oh, they are pumpers.
Make to
give them soap and pasta. Give me for granddaughter. What with the soap and give them soap?
Yeah.
Some soap, the job.
You want one? You might get a bag.
No,
I'm going to talk to you. When you get back? You know what? Pampers. Them have the size. What size? 2 year old? Look on the size.
We can't water it. We can't water again.
What size? What age? 4?
You get to water. You get the bag? Who get the bag?
Yeah. What would you say, little?
You get to water the middle.
What size is it?
Yo, no
what size pampers? 4 year old?
No,
no, water that going there. What size is it?
Hey, soap.
So 3? 3 year old like a fit?
Do I water the basket, please?
What size? Look one now. And small? Got bag then.
You get a bag?
What's that? That's a fit?
Yeah, man, you say your husband.
Yeah, you get it?
No,
yeah, make it stay.
Yeah, man. So that have you
Water?
Get a bag, yeah, man.
Give me water as well, please.
Get two water. Get also man a water now.
Bag already? Mama, you get bag already, right, Mama? You get bag?
Somebody
You get bag?
Somebody do that. Somebody do that.
That good, me boss. That's good.
Yeah, man, a family this. Yeah.
This up here. You want this?
Water? Yeah, bag, yeah, the bag.
Alright. Squeeze up the head now. Sir, they done for you, not you? Sir.
So one.
You have a friend, you want one, but you done for it.
Okay, fitting, right? I'm small, and so one.
Come in, boss. This is
water there.
So water, yeah, so water.
Any soap now?
Oh. What size? 3 year old. 3 year old. Where do you want Chelsea? A Chelsea that? It's a 4. Where do you want General?
Where they drop outside?
You never get the
You never get the bag? No, because this coming as a package. You get something already?
How many knocks the Veronica? You get two.
Hey, come to the water. Oh, water finish?
Chunks on the phone.
Yeah, man, no phone.
I sent some to Veronica. Remember Veronica? That's the sister. Since Sunday, you can't give him back for man. See me?
Oh, him?
Yeah, see me, Veronica son, man. Yeah, give him the key. Yeah, give Veronica that better, yeah.
And the charging thing them finish though.
Yeah, man, you're good there now.
Charging something they finish though. Yeah. You get light?
No water.
Give me one of the light.
Give me a last burn water, give me.
When I have many lights, you know.
You understand, man? But you're dark.
Everybody drink you.
Then I rise.
Take your answer, please.
When I'm charging,
you're not saying for me. No, so what
give me them light then. Put on water. I light and I'm charging. How much left?
Oh, you want one bag?
Hold on. Let me get the girl that one. Give me that one. Finish now.
Me there.
I need that one to be Let them finish. Finish now.
Yeah, man, I saw if you go on. Yes, I saw you run. Yes, I saw you run, Papa.
Me a bag.
Shall I get me and take up him, man? You want? Are we use her? Yes. Hey, come on, like that done.
Yeah.
Size street, you have picture, not phone.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Alright, do master, remember me, no, sir?
Then the additional I could have given them another bag them we give them a while ago.
Yeah, small one.
Yeah, them small. Give me that one. Put that in another bag.
Hello.
General, take two so.
You know you should water.
No, somebody water that.
He said you be one of them.
Yeah.
Two pounds of shower say back there.
Yes. Then we do right there, so
one bucket. Out of which?
You look like I breed a pumpkin. I want whole bag. You see system?
Pumpkin seed attack.
A whole bag blow.
We see that one little small bucket blow out of
You don't lose no hurt. We put it down in a washing machine and put the washing machine in a room. So I hit. Yeah, then he did want to come in. No only then no money left, we have to turn up back it like a monster.
You see
when he do how it save, you see, come like when the water catch it where it was swell to a cedar. So it did and it tell me lick out, it lick off all it stop them where you take that video. You say me here sit me pull it lock them quick. How it quick is doing it quick. Yeah,
Wow.
see how we have a rough side, see where we live?
Yeah, we up top.
Me I tell you we up.
Remember one time I used to walk out there as a little boy.
Yeah man. We up. Go on, we soon catch still see horse there. And that left.
Okay, that.
He hold
Okay.
back a hit back.
Oh, why? I only get material up there.
Yes, somebody but I know say me did a build round with concrete. All some part I concrete on the solid now.
Mm.
But I never built up yet. So
Oh.
it gone. It two boardroom did inside of it, so it come out.
See our bag here, yeah?
See mama here.
Yeah, our bag.
And
Alright then.
yeah man, all right.
So guys, so here is the so here's the one we are about to finish to complete. As you can see, everything was gone and everything. So yes, we have to reach. We need to reach how far away then. Very,
Up in a hill, this yeah.
yeah.
Stop a hill, stop a hill, stop a hill.
Wow.
Turn it down now, like that.
Whoa, look up a hill, that's up.
Black.
Jesus.
Alright, Rafi. So we see they continue to do what they're doing. So guys, you can see, you know, Rafi are taking time, you know, and
Yes, Rafi, top look good.
yeah.
Alright.
Good guys, so you see.
Now go on with yourself.
Yeah man, Rafi are going well.
Yeah, man, you are going with yourself.
So Rafi, you bring up the tank.
Yes, man, but you don't set it yet.
So how you bring it up?
I have a fear we can carry. Me no young again, you know.
Or you pull it up?
Pull it on through this.
Or you tie the string on it and dry it?
Yes, you rope. But we are so not sack yet.
Yeah, yeah.
I will not get to set the gutter.
But you're strong man, Rafi man, to get up here, see me.
Yeah.
Strong man.
Because you
Yeah.
make the car dumpling, you know.
Oh.
The good car dumpling.
Calm you dumpling.
Can, no can meal. I know man, I
Greater
can.
Greater can?
Greater can.
Yeah.
This one I know. Greater hits up.
So we have to go try that one day then.
If you can't get the can.
And it's greater hit.
Greater hit.
In the floor.
In the floor, they mess up with, you know. Yeah. Make us really be out to the day.
You know what in?
Yeah.
Corn dumpling. So guys, as you can see, I'm say, Rafi start to finish off the rest of the work and do what he's doing, you know. He's a man that sell his goat and everything, so. Yes, so. Alright, so time is hot. So basically, I'm say, we're gonna give him some, we're gonna make him get the donation so he can count what we have, and then now we're gonna go to the audio and get the rest of stuff. Then we got an invoice for him, you know, because I got the invoice. Oh, don't let my phone in the car. I got the invoice for everything that he's gonna need. So we're gonna go to the audio and purchase it tomorrow, and also purchase some materials for Randall as well too, you know, so that will be the mission for tomorrow. And what we're going to get for Rafi now, that will complete his progress of rebuilding, you know, and that will be good. You know, so, as you can see.
Alright, the White House in the same way, you know. Yeah, man, the White House and yeah, man, see it, man.
Alright, so Rafi, so here we are now, so you have your phone with you?
Yes, we have my phone.
Okay, you have the invoice where they sent to my phone?
Yeah?
The thing where you sent to my phone?
Yeah.
You have it on the phone? Let me back, let me see it. Because I'm going to leave my phone down there. How far boy this?
The grand boy, man.
I know how far boy. Tisha?
Yeah. Favor, yeah, man, I can't see it for you, man.
Tisha boy, we flip your head boy.
See you coming closer to the land, you know. Look on the land, man, I see her coming closer.
Alright, so the total of what? 292,000.
Yeah.
292,000. Until I treated with the drywall regular,
Yes.
the hardboard,
Yeah.
deadbolt lock, what that? Head wire, wire nail,
And the door.
and the door, and the what that there?
So two the pan if you put up a
Okay, the door that and everything.
Oh, put up the ceiling there.
Yeah. The car can't spend 1 week in the man.
Yes. True, because me there, I shut up now for this.
I'm sure you man, the car was this one put up here.
Shut up now for
Quick
this.
and fast. Alright then. So Rafi, so here was the plan then, right? We're gonna go to the hardware in the morning.
A morning.
Yeah. Bring our White House and get the stuff them. And also, so we said that's everything where they complete off everything right here?
Complete off.
One was missing off right?
The window not come yet. When not put up here to get the measurement of the window.
So you have a standard way that we work with, like you don't say, 4 by 3 or
chicken,
48 by 48.
A chicken do it.
What window size window you work with?
4 by 4.
Oh,
48 by
48 by 48.
48 by 48.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, 4 of them.
Oh, 4 of them.
One here, son. One there right there.
Okay. And that never got on.
No, that not go.
Just the window. Alright then, so how much I'm say want to bring there for Baja?
Alright, 48 by 48. How much my money? Go around. You know, get from about 20 something.
Oh, 20 something?
Yeah.
Okay.
Them set up so.
Or 20 something thousand.
But you can get them different. You know, like budget.
Yeah,
it's like
yeah.
it's a standard. Budget sell somewhere if you can go to buy them cheap and wait my utilize.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright then, Rafi, so here we are going to have some donation to help out, you know. So usually our program work when I get donation, you count it and you gotta thank the person as well too.
You understand?
You know. And with the donation we're gonna head to the hardware and then buy stuff them we can buy on the paper and anything else we're gonna need, you know, then we can just move on. But what you're getting now is what more important.
Yes, me
you know,
understand,
for finish frame off and set up everything.
Yeah.
So the only thing I got left back, you know, without is the window. Yeah, okay. So basically with where you're gonna get, I got frame up everything else but just without windows.
Yes, you understand.
Alright then, so that not sound bad.
No, sir.
That not so, cause you reach a far away so far.
Yeah, by yourself.
I'm moving on.
By yourself.
You man end up on the tile long there. You end up on the tile long there.
Or the kids they must sleep on the tile. Yeah. Yeah. So as I say, we have 2 blow-up bed.
Yeah.
Right? So we're gonna leave the blow-up bed them with you know, because we have to end up leave toward the single one because we never have the pump on them. So we're gonna do no true, we're gonna stay over. So we're gonna use it tonight and then tomorrow we'll make you get them. So the kids them can sleep on it.
Yes, man.
Instead they must sleep on the tile. Alright, so guys, some say we get some blow-up bed from the overcomers, you know.
Yeah.
And then we say we have done the overcomers them so much. You know, Share as well to Share World. Thank you as well for your care packages. You know, as they can say, it well to use and everybody was really need of it. So we appreciate it. We thank you so much, Share World. And the overcomers, you know, we thank you so much. And each and every one of our extended family that donate to the cause, we thank you as well. So we're gonna give out this donation and call the names them and you can listen for your name also. You know, so Rafi, you ready for this?
Yes, man, thank you.
So all this in the bag, yeah. Let's start off with this. So first, you see, come on the side of our face. So yeah, stand up right there. So we have this is who we have here. We have Auntie Liz from the UK. You know, her name is Auntie Liz. And this is $19,000, you know, from Auntie Liz in the UK.
Thank you. 100% thanks, man.
So count it, so it's 19,000. 19. So you're going to thank Auntie Liz. You know,
Thank you, Auntie Liz. Thank you very much. 100%. But you know, so we need it. Thank you. You move me off of my feet and make me chop sleep on the tire. Thank you. Please. Thank you, man, for the gift for your giving. Thank you, 100%. I hope your basket never run out.
All right,
God will bless you.
All right.
Yeah.
So that is from Auntie Liz, and we have a donation from Magic from Miami as well too. This is $7,000 from Magic from Miami.
Thank you, Magic from Miami. God will bless you, man, for this little thing here. I hope your basket never run out. Yes, God will bless you for the help. For we need it.
Yeah, true. And we have Dana, you know, from Kansas City. That's in America, Kansas City. So this is $4,000 from Dana from Kansas City.
Thank you, Miss Dana. Thank you for your blessing and for your help. Thank you. 100% thanks. Yeah. Thank you, Miss Dan.
And also we have Felicia as well too from the USA. We have $70,000 a year from Felicia from the USA.
Yeah.
So count it as well too. But I'll help him all that for you as well too. So just count it, says 70,000.
Thank you, Miss
Felicia.
Oh my God. God will bless you. Holy thanks. For that blessing, Miss Felicia. Thank you. 100% thanks, man. Love you. For all the things you do for me here.
Yes, I will give thanks to Felicia from the USA. And also we have G, you know, from Cape Cod as well too. G from Cape Cod in the USA, $20,000.
Thank you, Miss Cape.
G.
Miss G, thank you. 100%. Thank you for this, man. This is a gift from God. I'm going to give them more. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, well, thank G from Cape Cod.
Man.
As well too. So, and we have the last donation here, and this is from Rob as well too. It's Rob from New York, from Chef Place. Whoa! Oh, your place.
New York, your place.
Your place.
For another?
No, him love New York.
Okay.
So this is Rob from the New York, and this is 280,000.
Okay.
You know, from Rob from New York. So you count it, says make sure it's 280. But you want to count and put in your hand, so it's easier.
Yes.
So all of your hand.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, Chris. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
So that's 200.
Yeah. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80.
So that's 280,000 from Rob from New York. So speak out to Rob.
Thank you, Rob. Why? May God bless you and your basket never run out. Thank you for your gift. 100%. Yeah, man. Glad for that, man. Glad, man, for make me that come back up. Come sitting back in my home. Give thanks to you, man. Glad, man. Glad for that. Holy thanks, man. Holy thanks. Yeah. Give thanks, man.
Everyone.
Yes, man.
Yes, Raja, come say something to them, you know?
Yeah, man. Thank you so much, for your blessings
and to reaching out. You see the cost and everything. Well, thank you for reaching out. You know, knowing where he is right now by himself, by putting on, you see the effort that he make. So you see what you have done is going to a world cost. You understand? To help him to complete the journey that him start. Because right now he's so uncomfortable where he is.
Sleeping on the concrete.
Yeah, sleeping on the concrete, but that's the way it goes. You have to do what you have to do until you can bounce back on yourself. Which in that he made his effort, and with all of these donations, we thank you so much and appreciate it. You understand? To all who can send a prayer and all of that, and thanks, and share the disaster that them went through, we give thanks for all those people too.
Yeah.
And for everyone who make it possible to them, man. Trust me.
100%.
You move me.
Wow.
Because you answer the call when it is needed.
That's right.
And you can know, say, boy, good people still in this world here.
100%.
And that's what we are here for, to help out each other. Many of us want to be here today, but God spare our life. That we can be here, that can give this testimony. And it's the reason why He wants us here. That's why He preserve us.
True that.
So, cause, yeah man, bless up yourself, man.
Yes man, bless man.
And the blessing come because
man.
you need it.
Yes man.
Because He's a giver to you, know. Remember say you always a give and taking care of people. You know? So in the end, Father God not left you out. You see your plight, the man say you call. You see it?
Yes man, you
yeah man.
They love me.
Yeah man.
To reach over them.
Yeah man.
Just watch it.
Yeah.
It's true, it's true.
Yeah man.
Yeah man, and so we thank you guys so much. You know, we thank you for the love and the support. You know, we thank you for the kind heart. You know, we thank you for the compassion that you guys sending out. You know, I say it's more than needed, and you see the need and you reach out. I will thank you so much. Sometimes thank you is like an understatement, but it's like that's how we can use now. But we know the prayer, you know, and deep down in our heart, the Almighty know that how much we really appreciate each and every dollar and prayer and blessings that you send. We really appreciate it so much. You know, it only can encourage us to continue on our journey, you know, by giving our support to our fellow ones, you know, because we're here to serve. We're not here to rule, so we're here for each other. And we're going to continue to do this mission until when the Almighty say, oh, it is time. So we all have to live for someone, we cannot live for ourselves. There's no life worth living for yourself, you know, hey, living for someone else. So come on guys, we thank you so much. You know, we say we thank Auntie Liz, we thank you so much. Dana, big up yourself, Dana. And we have Magic also. And we have don't forget, big up yourself, Rob. You know, much love every time, Rob. You know, and G from Cape Cod. We thank you so much. You know, the love is so real. You know, the love is so real. And we thank you so much. And we cannot stop thanking you. You know, Felicia, big up yourself as well, Felicia. We thank you so much, you know, for the support. You know, guys, I'm saying now in the morning, we're going to head to the hardware, you know, and get the materials them, and also get some Zero for Randall, you know, and so we can just continue to bless someone that's really, really need of it. I will thank you so much. You know, it's a blessing. Rafi.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
At the journey.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so I'm saying that complete the mission for today. You know, we thank each and every overcomers, we thank you so much, you know, it's about love and love alone. You know, I say we brought a lot of stuff. I think more stuff with the care packages and plus lights and, you know, tools and everything from the overcomers and also our sister as well too, you know. And we thank Cheryl as well too. So we have some more stuff as well to pick up as well too from Shay, so we can go to the store and get some more stuff. And we have other things to come in, you know. So as I say guys, let's help continue to support the cause, you know, and others too. So we have all the funding here, you know. So you know usually what I did, I keep the donation whenever I'm gonna buy material, and what's left over I give it to the recipient, and then when they buy the rest of stuff what they're gonna need. So we're gonna try and see if this will definitely try to complete off everything that he needs, so he will be on his own now for start back his life with his family and the kids then, you know. And I say we give thanks to the Almighty, you know, because you know, how we said this, whenever we live in this universe, this ain't coming with us. But the love we will put out, that's our legacy of showing love that lives on inside our soul. That never leave, because we are all love. You know, unconditional love, and show compassion. Peace out. Dream team, one team.
Let's make it people like us not good, brother.
Right. Rafi. Are you dad?
Yeah.
I'll go down back on the stretch then.
Man, Karen, I'm afraid that if they come back, I'm
Prefect, go on.
Yes, man.
Our extended family reach out, you know.
We give thanks to the extended family. Yeah, man. Help another one that need it the most. You get me? Yeah, man. I love all. Give thanks, guys. Out of nothing, still I do something. Really appreciate love.
One
later, Rafik,
Real graphics about time.
Yeah, man.
Real country four leg, you hear that? Yeah, man, when they get two of them, man, a real egg again. Yeah, man, country four leg them, yeah.
Yeah? Oh, you see them a long time I get them at home.
I say lay, man, right?
Right, so them lay right
now. Be what you call them?
Organic, what do we call them egg there?
No, the egg machine egg, yeah, be a machine egg when you get. What them on here? Real egg. It's so small, them is?
Yeah, man, so small.
Exactly.
I really like them, man.
No big sitting like you wonder if an Irish potato.
You see next one never did that for them. Like them one.
Yeah.
No, sir,
that is it.
That's very white, man. When you put this up in a paper and it's yellow.
Get off that side.
Alright guys, so this is the returning resident going back into Trenchtown. So these are the faces going back to Trenchtown. The returning residents. Boom! Hey, go back, yeah? And the driver and Mother Teresa. So this is all the returning residents going back home. And we have Baja. We have Baja and we have Chef and we have Totigan and the Prefect. Wow, so much we left back. Alright then, so we're going to pull out then. We're going to pull out. So the man must go. Rafi, not the morning now.
Yes? Only for life.
So live on the flat, yeah? Yeah, man. Check out. Yes, Lord.
Remember?
Yeah, the lights, yeah?
Who you forget?
Rafi, you say?
R.
Yeah. Anyone?
Okay, thank
alright then. General, you link, yeah? Yeah, man. Yeah. Generals, manners, yeah? Yeah, man.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.